In today's video, I'll teach you how to use UpScrolled app. First of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure to create the account for yourself. Creating the account on UpScrolled is actually very simple. After you create the account, make sure you're logged in to your account. Now in the home interface, you'll be able to see several posts over here. If you want to discover the new post, you can tap on this option, discover, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to discover the new post over here. Likewise, you'll be able to follow the people. For that, if you want to search someone you want to follow, tap on the search icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for the person that you would like to follow. You can type in their handle over here. Now you can see the users over here. Tap on the user that you would like to follow. Now you'll be led to their profile. Tap on the follow option that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option follow. Now if their account is private, follow request will be sent. If their account is public, you'll be able to follow that person. Likewise, you'll also be able to create the post. For that, tap on the plus icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to post the text, photos or videos. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option text. Now after you do that, you'll be able to say something, enter something that you would like to send. You'll also be able to add the photos, videos, locations, etc. After you're done, tap on the post option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, your post will be posted on UpScrolled. So like this, you'll also be able to create the post. If you think you've got the notification, tap on the notification icon that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all the notifications over here. Also, you'll be able to see the follow request. For that, tap on this option, follow request, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see all the follow requests over here. You can accept or reject the follow request. You'll only be able to see the follow request if your account is private. You'll also be able to see your profile. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see your profile over here. You can see your username, name, bio, links, etc. Also, you can see the number of posts, following and follower. You can see all the posts that you've created over here. You can also see the media and tags. If you want to edit your profile, you can tap on this option, edit profile. Now you'll be able to edit your profile. You can add the cover photo, profile photo, name, bio, links, date of birth, etc. Likewise, if you want to access the settings, tap on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. So these are basically the things that you need to know in order to use the app. So that is how you use UpScrolled app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.